Twak Funeral Home Gesane.
We wish to indeed confirm the death of our colleague Honorable Ong'ondo Were. We were just with him in Parliament a few minutes ago, and shortly after that we got word that he had been shot dead. I'm not going to say much. Give a chance to the minority leader and then the governor, and then we'll also give the PS. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Millie. We have nothing much to say. As Honorable Millie has confirmed, we have lost our colleague, Honorable Ong'ondo Were, the Member of Parliament for Kasipul. And we would like to take this opportunity to condole with the family of Honorable Ong'ondo Were. We were with him today in Parliament, as she said, the whole afternoon, and he left, I think, barely 30 minutes before he met his death. So we would like to ask the police to investigate this matter thoroughly and share with Kenyans as fast as possible what happened to our colleague, Honorable Ong'ondo Were. Lastly, I would like also to condole with the family and convey message of condolences from our party, the ODM party. Our party leader was here with us. He just went home. He was with us in the hospital here, and he has also conveyed his condolence message. And we would like to ask the family, God to stand with them at the moment. Thank you very much.
It's an extremely sad evening for the people of Homa Bay County and the people of Kasipul constituency specifically. And we'd like to, on behalf of my own behalf, my family, and the people of Homa Bay, send our deepest condolences to the people of Homa Bay, the people of Kasipul, and the people of Kenya. We have lost a great son of our soil. A great son of our soil has been murdered this evening.
Yes. So first, I would want to convey my condolences to the family of the Honorable Ong'ondo Were, his colleagues from Parliament, and the people of Kasipul. This is a very tragic event that has happened this evening. I have had the opportunity to engage with officers in government. The Inspector General of Police is here, the DCI is here, the Regional Police Commander is here. What we have a preliminary report of what transpired, but investigations are ongoing to establish what actually happened. I want to also convey condolences from His Excellency the President. I spoke to him when I was coming here, as well as my minister, and we want to assure the public that we will have an expedited investigation process so that we get to the bottom of what actually took place. I would want to appeal for calm, particularly to the people of Kasipul, who has lost a leader who has represented them for many years, and we are going to be sharing with the public the information as soon as the investigations are concluded. We will continue to work together with the leadership of Parliament to ensure that we go through the motions that are expected, given the untimely and sad demise of the Honorable.
Okay, but yes, from the preliminary investigation, when did it happen, where, what time, and what was the situation?
So the MP left Parliament a few minutes around 7, and then the actual shooting happened at 7:30, around 7:30 on Ngong Road, by a passenger on a motorcycle. So, of course, we are yet to establish the exact identity of the person. As I've said, investigations is going on, and the driver and the bodyguard brought the late to Nairobi Hospital when this happened. it appears that this assassin or assailant was trailing the car from town.
Yeah. We'll give Honorable Kaluma a chance to give the message from the Speaker of the National Assembly.
Okay, let's start with Mheshimiwa here.
I just want to take a sorry.
I'm holding the mic.
Okay. I want to take this time to say I'm appalled, I'm saddened. I cannot even imagine this kind of thing can really happen. On behalf of Rachuanyo as a whole, Rachuanyo, the 4 sub-counties, let me send my condolences to the family and to the Kasipul people. We are really condoling with you. We hope everything will be okay. Thank you.
Let me give before we give the woman rep and then Lillian.
Ramogi mago gin tipo machiel kachiel mabende biro ni kuwuok Lee Funeral Home kama jotelo mopogore opogore winjo ka chiwo ote margi mag kuyo kod lit kalure kod tho mapoya mar Ong'ondo Were. Wadok Lee Funeral Home mondo winj kaka jotelo medo loso.
Residents of the entire Homa Bay County and Kenya, Honorable Ong'ondo Were was with us in Parliament, has been stated, and he closely had a serious or close discussion with Honorable Ivo Barra, as I saw. I passed Honorable Ong'ondo Were around 7 in the night at Parliament exit as he was addressing 5 MPs, and he was the one whom the MPs were listening to. I was saddened to have read the message that Ong'ondo Were, Mheshimiwa of Kasipul, is no more. Pole to the family, and may his soul rest in peace.
Thank you very much. Allow me to pass my condolences to the great people of Kasipul, the entire Homa Bay. Ong'ondo Were was my brother-in-law, and Ong'ondo Were was a stout politician, one who would never miss sessions of Parliament. It is not in darkness that Ong'ondo Were had had his life threatened, a matter which he had already reported to the DCI. And I want to say this with my eyes strictly on the cameras, that the perpetrator of this particular murder is known, and there is a way of violence that is creeping up in Homa Bay politics that must be tamed by law enforcement authorities. It has ending in a life gone of a member of Parliament who is a servant of the people, and I don't think we are ready to lose any more lives. So how I pray that this matter is going to be conclusively brought to book, and we will know who murdered Honorable Charles Ong'ondo Were. Thank you.
And before Honorable Kaluma, I'll give Honorable Eve. Eve was with Ong'ondo Were today, this afternoon, for a long time. Even as we were engaging in Parliament, they were talking for very long. So you'll excuse her if she's not feeling too well.
Yes, thank you very much, Millie. My name is Eve Obara. I'm the Member of Parliament for Kabondo Kasipul and the immediate neighbor from Mheshimiwa Were in Kasipul. I am in total shock, and I can't even find the right words to mourn. It's like I'm in a dream world, because I spent the whole afternoon with him. We went together for tea, came back, sat again in Parliament, and I left him at around 7. To be called by my driver, through his driver, that your friend has been shot and he's dead. So my condolences to the family. It's indeed a very sad day for us in Parliament for this to happen. And may the perpetrators be brought to book. I urge
Interior Ministry, the police, to please get to the bottom of this matter. Thank you.
Mheshimiwa, what were you discussing with him that afternoon?
An array of things, very many things, general things. Yeah.
Did you mention anything about
Just general things. Yeah.
On behalf of the Speaker of the National Assembly, the Right Honorable Dr. Moses Masika Wetangula, we wish to confirm to the country that we have lost the Member of Parliament for Kasipu constituency, the Honorable Charles Ong'ondo Were. Honorable Charles Ong'ondo Were was serving his second term, and at the time of his death, as a devoted MP, he had just been elected by members of the committee in charge of cohesion and equal opportunities to be the vice chairperson. So he's died as the vice chairperson of that critical committee looking at matters national cohesion and equality. Charles Ong'ondo Were was a very devout and dedicated member of parliament who never missed parliamentary sitting. The whole of afternoon today, we had the Prime Cabinet Secretary in Parliament, and later we had the Minister in charge of Transport in Parliament. And throughout this afternoon, up to the time he left, and later on met his death, Honorable Charles Ong'ondo Were was seated at his designated place. He had his known place in Parliament. So as Parliament, it is a Saturday for the institution of Parliament as a whole, not just the National Assembly. And on behalf of the Speaker, the request we are making is that the matter leading to the death of the Honorable Charles Ong'ondo Were be investigated in great detail and as expeditiously as possible, so that the cause of the death of a member leaving his place of work back to where he was going can be disclosed. Ultimately, the institution of Parliament condoles and stands with the family as we mourn our member.
I think we can leave it at this for now, and further communication will be made as from tomorrow. So as for tonight, we can leave it there. Yeah. Thank you very much.
For the members, you can somebody, bro.